In this video, I am going to show you how to build admin and user views in Adalo. To get started, head over to your app builder. As you can see, I already have a sign-up screen and a login screen set up, and users will enter the app through the login screen. To create different experiences for admins and normal users, you need to design separate screens for each role. In my case, I have an all products screen for normal users and a dedicated admin dashboard for admin users. You can create similar screens in your own app and then follow this process to route users to the correct screen based on their role. The first step is to define who is an admin. For this, go to the database section by clicking the database icon on the left side of your screen. Inside the users collection, you need to create a new property. Click on Add Property, select the True/False option, name it something like Admin, and save it. Once the property is created, you can adjust its position if you want. After that, open the Records section and manually set the admin property to true for users who should have admin access. In my example, I have two users, John, who is a normal user, and Josh, who is an admin. After updating the values, click Done to save the changes. Now go back to your login screen and select the login component. In the Submit action, you need to create two separate actions. Click on Add Another Action to create the first one, which will be for normal users. Hover over Link and choose the screen where normal users should be sent, such as the Products page. You can add a transition if you want. Then click on Show Advanced. Set the condition to sometimes and define when this action should occur. Hover over More, then Logged In User, select the admin property, and set it to Is False. This ensures that users who are not admins are redirected to the normal user screen. Next, create another action by clicking Add Another Action. This time, link users to the admin dashboard. Again, you can add a transition if needed. Open the advanced settings, select Sometimes, and define the condition. Hover over More, then Logged In User, select the admin property, and set it to Is True. This ensures that only users marked as admins are redirected to the admin dashboard. Once both actions are configured, click Done to save everything. To test this, open the app preview and refresh it. First, log in as John, who is not an admin. You will see that he is redirected to the Products page. Then log out and log in as Josh, who is an admin. This time, you will be taken directly to the admin dashboard. This confirms that the logic is working correctly, and this is how you can build admin and user views in Adalo.